Hello YouTube, welcome back to another fantastic beer review, and today we're looking at another British beer, well, a British made beer, but in the style of a New England, USA, East Coast IPA, and it's entitled Dance Juice. It's made by the London Beer Factory. I'm not sure, obviously it's purchased in Tesco, so obviously it's made, you know, it's a mass produced beer. Blurb: new hazy New England IPA brewed with Azacca, Citra and Simcoe hops for a full tropical and juicy beer. Dance Juice is inspired by a story that took place 500 years ago when Frode Trofea took to the streets one hot July day and started dancing. Interesting marketing they're using there. The London Beer Factory is a modern independent craft brewery creating exceptional and progressive beer since 2014. Based in South London, brewing for the world. Okay, so it's interesting, it's got one of those Scandinavian style whole can ring pulls, which I'm not really a fan of. Can art, obviously inspired by that medieval story. Early modern, I should say, rather than medieval, so 500 years ago. Okay, let's see, get it open. Ooh, very lots of fruitiness on the nose there. Quite a bit of mango, a little bit of very citrusy. Almost maybe papaya, I'm not too sure. See when it pours. That's another thing I don't like about these cans. You know, obviously you don't get the with the small can opening, but it just it's almost like you can just dump it all in there. And obviously look, it's down to my pour, but very, very, very little head on there. And moving it around, there's not much lacing going on. But the aroma is very, very fruity, and it's quite hazy. It's not bad for a supermarket beer, is it? You know, I think it's about £3 to £3.50 you would pay. It was very, very sweet, very sweet on the initial palate there. It's not bad though, it's a little thin. You get the initial fruitiness from the hops with the Simcoe, and then it just fades a bit. It's not very balanced. A little tiny bit of bitterness on the finish, but it's not bad, I would say, for what it is and the price you pay. It's 7.2 or 7.5% alcohol, so it's quite strong. So it's not something. A little, yeah, can get a little bit of the alcohol on the finish. But yeah, that's not a bad beer at all. You know, I've had I wouldn't say worse, but I've paid more for other New England IPAs and been less impressed. But for the price, it's not a bad beer at all. So if you live near a Tesco, check it out. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and cheers.